Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce recruitment time with Indeed. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce recruitment time using Indeed, start by creating an employer account on the Indeed website. Navigate to the Employers section located at the top right of the home page. Click on Post a Job to begin the process of creating your job listing. Fill out the job title, job description, and location fields carefully to attract the right candidates. Utilize specific keywords related to your job to improve searchability and relevance. Set a competitive salary range to attract qualified applicants. Fill in the required details, including the employment type and any necessary qualifications. After entering the job details, review and select the visibility options that suit your hiring needs. Choose whether to promote your job listing for increased visibility or keep it organic. Once your job is posted, monitor applications, respond quickly to applications to keep the hiring process moving efficiently. Use the screening questions feature to filter out unqualified candidates early in the process. Schedule interviews directly through the platform to streamline communication with candidates. Leverage Indeed's company pages to showcase your company culture and attract more talent. Regularly update job listings to keep them fresh and relevant for potential applicants. Utilize Indeed's analytics tools to track the performance of your job postings. Adjust your approach based on data insights to focus efforts on the most effective strategies. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your recruitment time while finding the best candidates for your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.